In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a recipe for an easy cheesecake ice cream or ice cream cheesecake, whatever you may want to call it. So to start, I'm actually going to be using 4 packets of this Philadelphia cream cheesecake, and it's a strawberry flavor. This comes in a couple other flavors, so you can use whatever flavor you like. If you can't find this, you can use regular Philadelphia cream cheese together with some cherry pie filling, and that works really well also. So what I'm going to do is empty the 4 containers of this into my big bowl. Next, just give this a mix. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of cherry essence, so you can use vanilla, and we get this in Trinidad and I found it at JTA supermarket. Next, I'm going to whip 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, add your whipped cream to your cheesecake mixture. And guys, if you had leftover cheesecake and you wanted to use it for this recipe, you can. Or if you wanted to buy a couple slices just to make this recipe, you can. And whisk to combine. Next, empty this into a freezer container. And then this goes into your freezer until it's frozen and you can scoop it out. And guys, if you wanted to top a cake with this, like cut slices of a cake, you can use this because it's a nice consistency to dollop onto desserts.
So guys, I topped this with a maraschino cherry, or you can top it with your cherry pie or strawberry pie filling. And I'm also topping it with some graham crackers to make it taste and to give it that cheesecake flavor and taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my videos. Bye!